Hi everyone, experience member han mamakta GKGS Manipur na welcome tawjare. Ngasi su GKGS Manipur na experience singi damakta yamna interesting oiraduba adomba class ama udun laksari. Hariba video class adu science ki previous year questions nainaba habadi mamang da hangraba questions sings nainaba ki video class ni. Aduga masigi questions sing asi SSC ki exams like CGL, CSSL, MTS, GD, Steno, CPO, adaidi railways ki exams like RRB, NTPC ki exam da hangrabo questions amani masu hapchin duna pulap punsilakanda mamangi previous year da hangrabo questions sing khara aina yengnana bagi damangka pudun laksare. Aduna high questions sing asi kamaina tawbano habidusu yengminnarasi. Aduga amana akhoi masigi question sing asi upcoming exams of SSC da adam important oigani haina puzaraba adumba question sings ni aduga masigi video class asi aduna yamna interesting oigani haina khanjai maram aduna video class asi loidru yengbiyo haina ni singjari masi har kanda ngasi class hojulasi ngasi question hanba yengminnarasi which of the following destroys ozone and hai ka karambana ozone bu destroy pathan bano manghan bano na hangi ko SSC CGL 2019 aduga SSC GD 2019 same question je hangraba adumba question amani yengminnarasi tu target option number A chlorine, option number B silicon, option number C मैम सी कार्बन नाइ का दमनी को कैरन नाइ का दम ते टाइपिंग मिस्टेक सी के दमक मैम ना नाक भी गनी कार्बन दुगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी सल्फर है ना अखोगी ऑप्शन मरी पीरी को दु ताग दु मैम सोइड न खंगी रमनी ओजोन बु पाथर हल्लेबा मेन ओइबा गैस की अखोई ममिंग करी कौ अखोई रेफ्रिजरेटर दु याम यावबा एसी दु यावबा क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बोन्स नत्रा क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बोन्स को CFCS है ना याम याम ना है ना तो मसीदा अखोई ना यावबा मेन कंपोनेंट से कहीं क्लोरीन नेबा को क्लोरीन नि हाई बा क्लोरीन की one atom ama khakna mayam na nixing bi gadop se khoi gi one atom ama khakna chlorine gi kari one atom ama khakna ozone layer gi molecules thousands of ozone molecules hai tare O3 molecules ko O3 molecules patha han ba destroy to han ba manghan ba ngam mi adu target akhoni dagi khange the correct option is option number A, that is chlorine ko chlorine is the correct option. With this ma'am, question number 1 say I understand or question number 2 the one towards it. What do you mean by greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect hai karibu khangna bagain hangi sam question ni ko ma SCCGL 2016 aduga ma'am point amana ai haija gadaba point amana asigi question is easy to moderate pujarak ni ko ai yam hard level pujarak panate ado tung tarak da khoi hard level da su SSC gi exam da dum hangraba hard level question jo dum naina minasi to be important oi hard level question jo dum naina minasi aduna se amu topic ta mo chala se option number A house pollution in tropical regions. Option number B blocking of ultraviolet rays by the ozone layer. Option number C blocking of solar energy due to atmospheric gases. And option number D damage to green buildings. And now khangi kari khangi greenhouse effect habadi kari no habado amok khangmi na si duta earth ki atmosphere sina akogi solar energy dagi lakpa heat jet trap torakanda akogi prithvi sibu warm up tawba sagal anba sibu khoni gai kowe greenhouse effect ko adu target here I explain the way they khangi akoni the correct option is option number C blocking of solar energy due to atmospheric gases sibu khoni gai kowe greenhouse effect ki point amane. So with this question number 3 the on to yengminnarasi what is the layer of gas that surrounds the earth pole? Earth pole poshiliba nuksit kuyom do kari kaubano na hangi ka. So MTS 2017 ki question amani. Option number A hydrosphere, option number B atmosphere, option number C biosphere, and option number D geosphere hai option mari pire. So mayam I choose to option siga mayam option siga mo manabri yengminnarasi and here the correct option is option number B atmosphere ka atmosphere se akoi ke kawi is the layer of gas that surrounds the earth ka. So with this question number 4, ozone is a molecule made of gas oxygen atoms. Ozone se molecule amani karma molecule oxygen atoms kayana same molecules no have the gas the main this ka CSSC gel 2022 ki question amani ko ma yengminnarasi du target option A da 1 2 3 4 hai na koi option mari pi de ka. So, and here, ako na kangre nga size ijagre O2 hai ta de ako oxygen sumnagi O du su ako oxygen ko na sen or ako sum oxygen hai na kangne du su ko O2 su ako oxygen gas ki molecule complete molecule ne oxygen O2 na du O3 hai ta ga di ako na kaya kangne ba ozone ne ba ko du ta de ako hidagi kai kangya ozone se da oxygen ki atom kya yaw ra oxygen ki atom ahum yaw do na here the correct option is option number C. 3 is the correct option. With this question number 5, move on to see. Which sugar is responsible for sweetness in fruits? Haira the Tumalibdo. Tumalibdo are the responsible or the sugar do the mumming curry do sugar do curry no na hangeka. CRRB and TPC 2021 gi question number. And here options option number A maltose, option number B lactose, option number C fructose, and option number D sucrose and higher. Ma'am, we target ma'am ki pamzaba option do mung store si ma'am suming khan buto and here okay yeah sumba direct option do na karam buno option number C fructose is the correct option here ka. Fructose is responsible for sweetness in fruits. Ma'am so you can be run ka. Let's start the next question. The question number 6 the move on to our Which of the following vitamin contains nitrogen? Piriba vitamins insida karamba vitamins ta nitrogen yawbono and hangeko. Option number A vitamin C SSC gel 2016 ki question amani. Option number A vitamin A. Option number B vitamin C and option number C vitamin D and option number D the vitamin B ka. And akoy vitamin A se akoy kari hai ga chong nei ba retinol hai ga chong nei ba. Mam si ki maming si jo khang da ya de ko hai ba di akoy SSC gi exams and atopa government gi exams ha ba matam da vitamin gi question se jom generally hangal le ko dum yaukan ba mayam thar ba experience ne so in theng na mani ka the vitamin A gi maming ge ko or vitamin A wala ga di kari leina na ba yai kai na hai ba ko then vitamin C se ko ne kai ha ga khang nei ba ascorbic acid ha ga khang nei ba ascorbic acid ka ascorbic acid ha ga khang nei or yang ase mo vitamin D di kari ha khang nei ba ko na calciferol ka habdi akhona sunshine vitamin ha ga khang nei ba vitamin D adoga vitamin B di complex ne habdi mai de maming yang ke vitamin kharap punchila semani B1 B2 B3 ara mundugi question dong mo horen mo yang mese adoga masigi question sigi correct option je vitamin B organic con that is nitrogen jaw se kam vitamin de yaw B gi 12 to yaw B12 se kan maming kari ha khang nei cobalamin ha khang nei ba cobalamin Shigi points. So, I understand the conjure question number 6. And next, question number 7. The move on to spinach contains an usually high percentage of GS acids as a natural byproduct. Spinach the natural byproduct oina. So, natural product oina ko. High percentage of karamba acids yaw na hang mane. Shigi okay no sina high. Question sina high ko spinach to yaw hoge magi high percentage of acids to gi mami. GD 2019 ki question namane. Yang asi option number A the oxalic acid, option number C the citric acid, option number B the citric acid, option number C the tartaric acid, and option number D the lactic acid. Akoi na kangya citric acid te akoi sampra gumba da yawi ka lemon gumba da, and option number B tartaric acid te akoi mangi gumba tamarin gumba da yawi ka tamarin. Da di akoi option number D lactic acid te akoi kadai da sangom da milk da ka. So then only one option is left. Oxalic acid is mainly contained in high percentage in spinach as natural product. So question number 7 is lower. Question number 8 yengminnarasi. Which material is used in the manufacture of electric heater coil? Electric heater coil same the shinariba material to adu karino na hangbani ka. So SSC CPO 2017 ki question namani. So yengasi option number A the aluminium. Option number B the nickel, and option number C the copper, and option number D the nichrome and high. And here ma'am CD is some number question ni ka question the computer money, that is option number D nichrome. Next time we yengminnarasi question number 9. How many vitamins are there in vitamin B complex? And as I hijack vitamin B complex, the vitamin kya yaw vitamin B the complex or vitamin numni vitamin makal kya yaw option number A the taruk, option number B the 7, option number A C the 8, option number D the 9. Hoy na khange vitamin B. Vitamin B complex the kay vitamin yaw B1, B2, B3, B5, B7, sorry B6 wala mein ka. B6, B7, B9, B12 si hai vitamin si ke yaw masing kya suri de ta de 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 adu ta de kya sure option number C, that is 8 is the correct option here ka. So with this question number 10 we move on to what is the process of sunflower flower rotating towards the sun called? Sunflower flower do na akwai nungsa mai kai ta dum onsin bagi process to kari ko buno na hange RRB NTPC 2021 gi question number ni ko yam hi da puja regularly bise. Option number A rotation cobra, option number B locomotion, option number C movement, and option number D phototropism ko akwai so den khang bi ramoni sunflower flower lai re akwai ko sunflower flower sign lai re khala sim yam ko. Duga numit lai de numit se thopa mai kai da khoina dum hainai sunflower se dum onsil le na ko onsil le na so saina onsil le ba ko sunflower se numit mai kai hi da do ta masi gi process se kari ko ba khoina option number D, that is phototropism ko. So with this question number 11 da mong phone torsi. Which of the following gas is used in bulbs? Bulbs same sinariba objective am LED bulbs to ngai kre ko. The bulb same sinariba gas to maming kari ko bono na hangi ko. SSCPO 2017 ko. The question number option number A the nitrogen, option number B the helium, option number C the carbon dioxide, and option number D the argon. And okay, high CD some question name am sana so dana kangwira money experiencing ko. And here the correct option is option number D, argon is the correct option ko. And question number 12 tamu yengminnarasi. Name the thin wire that gives light from a bulb ko. Bulb tagi mangan pithore iba light pithore iba thin wire de maming kari ko bunoi na hangi ko. SSC gi Delhi Police Constable 2017 gi question number. So option number A the terminal, option number B the tip, and option number C the filament, and option number D the source and high. Koina khange bulb ki saina bulb lai re duge mage bulb tugi hida akoi maning lai kre ko coil kano lai kre da thingdar akanda da saina coil macha am yaw ko coil macha am yaw budo masigi kano sibo koina kari ko bunon hangi ko adu buni koina option number C filament and high ja ko. Filament ko thin wire do ko ni ko ba filament. So number C is the correct option ka. With this question number 13 the move on to see. The speed of sound is the fastest in each of the following ka. Speed of sound se karam badana hen yang bano na hang bani ka. Stenographer 2017 ki question ni masi ki question if I am not wrong atop exam sing so dum hang ba I think na ka. So, adona yengasi option number A the in water, option number B the in air, and option number C the wood, or option number D the in metal ka. So koi na khanga do bisi matang the solid habama lai liquid habama lai aduga gas habama lai. Sound se solid tane hen yang na sen gani aduga amuk liquid ta amuk sen gani liquid na second ta aduga less quite less oina third ta gas lai gani ko adu ta wood su solid ni metal su solid ni adu hen solid over hen kan badi kaino metal. So option number D is the correct option. Metal then hen yang chen gani ba solid che ka kano se sound che aduni mas speed of sound che metal then hen yang gani have se man si point ni sing biro solid ta karamba solid ta hen a solid over pot metal da ka. So question number 14 dong yang minarsi what is a brine solution hana brine solution hai ka kari bu khangna banon hangi SSCPO 2017 ki question ne ma'am si de ma'am khang bo serang wani khang dap serang wani ka ado khang minarsi a solution of sugar in water, a solution of alcohol in water, a solution of salt in water, or a solution of acid in water haina akhoi option mari pire. So ma'am option choose to biro and here akhoi na khange excess salt plus water do bo koi na kai kawi brine solution koi du targadi here a solution of salt in water is the correct option brine solution di a solution of salt in water ka adana next question question number 15 dong yang winnership the loudness of sounds depends on yeah sound ki how we chang se kari da depends to bono na hangi SSC stenographer group C and D gi 2017 की question namani so option number A frequency option number B wavelength and option number C purpose and option number D amplitude and higher and here I'm sorry money sorry ma'am the correct option is amplitude ka mapi gani marakta ka aduna question number 15 correct option jo khange ma'am understand to rana khanjar age aduna question number 16 da move on to which of the following metal has the highest conductivity highest conductivity oiba dumba metals to karam metals non high ko DP Delhi Police Constable 2020 gi question namani option number A iron option number B copper option number C silver and option number D aluminium ko sign tawduna akhoi dagi the correct option se karino have the mem khanminarsi the correct option is option number C silver is the metal which has the highest conductivity so in khangbira mani so question number 17 da mo yengase yengminnarsi why do we see lightning sin anira hanjinga do note ko sin je kaktat me se me typing mistakes you don't think gani why do we see lightning before the sound of thunder ko dang gadang hai ngai da sa ko lightning do han ui mangal do na han ui sound do ta tu ngai da natra do kari gi non hang mane SSC stenographer 2017 gi question namani ka so light travel much slower than sound si option sim na tre line na khoi sound gi hena slow hoya se khoi la leba thunder is produced after the lightning strike has dissipated si suna tre ko and light travel much faster than sound and here is the correct option sound dagi light ne hen yang travel to bogi maram duna neba akoina the sound gi thunder gi sound mo kon gadang ha du ta dringai ta light to no mamit khak podo han uri be maram ka sigi point si jam ni cham cham ba point amne aduna question number 17 so understand our na kanjara question number 18 da mo phone tower what is the SI unit of electric current electric current ki SI unit kari no na hangmane system international habani SSC CGL 2021 question namni siso yengminnarasi tu tadi option number A ohm option number B volt option number C ampere and option number D watt and high ko and here the correct option is mark SI unit ampere ko ampere sini option number C sini so question number 19 dong yengminnarasi what is the chemical symbol of gold gold chemical symbol kari no ena hangi ko yang chemical symbol ki question se dum hangan bani ko sisu khangjin ba yam mathau tai ko gold gumba iron gumba ko do tadi yengminnarasi masi SSC GD constable GD ki 2021 hangi question namni ko AZ haibra option number A option number B AU option number C FE and option number D ISG and option Manipuri. Adu tadi mayam option jam tang yengminnare khoi adu tadi mayam achumbo option mayam summe khanba ka option do khoi kari no adu choose to biro adu ka aina choose to option jiga manabra have du yengminnare si ka so AGD khoi ne kai kawe AGD kai kawe ba mayam silver kawe ka silver duga FED kari kawi myam FED iron kawi ba aduga SGD mercury ne The only one option is left, that is AU. AU hai ta di goal. With this, question number 20 damu yengminnarasi. Which gas is known as laughing gas? Karamba gas bu okoi laughing gas hai long khangna bagye na hangi ko. MTS 2022 ki question namani. Option number A, nitrous oxide N2O. Option number B, carbon monoxide. Option number C, sulfur dioxide. And option number D, nitrogen dioxide. Laughing gas carbon gas that is option number A, nitrous oxide. Laughing gas. So, question number 21, the three laws of planetary motion were discovered by. Three laws of planetary motion discovered CGL 2022 की question हमने सी question जे खंग बसे रंगनी खंग दबसु सो दन मैम हम यरंगनी को तो तारे जे खंग मिन नर्सी option number A दा Isaac Newton, option number B दा Galileo Galilei, option number C दा Johannes Kepler, and option number D दा Nicholas Copernicus. Option ho mari lai re, and here masi की question से की correct option जे काम बनो, that is option number C, Johannes Kepler ka magna apagi three laws of planetary motion se discovered okibani ka. So with this question number 22 the process by which plants prepare their own food yamna laiba ma'am to in songan bu question like that is plant na masagi masa mathanta prepare food masagi oiba chinjak prepare tawjabagi process to kari ko bono na hangbani ka. CSSL 2023 की क्वेश्चन ni atopa exam daso dum hangmani ko GD gumba kai gumba FTS gumba daso. Option number A, respiration. Option number B, transpiration. Option number C, photosynthesis. And option number D, digestion and high. And here the correct option is photosynthesis ka. Ma'am photosynthesis ki area sida dum question hangale khoi competitive exams to like photosynthesis to rum matung da mahang nam byproduct kari kari puthokpagi kaina haiba ka hadi photosynthesis manu matamda plant na kari absorb to do kari release to wi kaina haiba adumba question dum hangalle ka. So with this question number 23 dam yengminnarasi. Which of the following is a communicable diseases ka? Communicable disease sabi songna samna the longna disease to karamba disease no ana hangmani piri fitagi ka. Option number SSSGD 2023 की question हमने सीजो कोई yengminnarasi. Option number A, the diabetes. Option number B, the hypertension. And option number C, the tuberculosis. And option number D, the cancer ko. Diabetes se bo khoi songna thamna do longna hebo hereditary oi ka hebo tai songna samna do longna de communicable oi de. Hypertension je songna samna do longna burne longna de ko. Cancer se longna burne longna de songna samna do. And here only ko koi nuksitagi sandokpa the communicable oi ba habani ko communicable oi ba de songna samna ko na te koi nuksit kumba kenogum da sandokpa hai tare ko sandokpa do mi am da yamada ko adu bo ko communicable disease ko. And here the correct option is tuberculosis ko. Tuberculosis is the correct option. What is the SI unit of force? Force ki SI unit kari no na hange siti me am cham chamba dom question amani MTS 2023 ki question ni ko. Option number A, Pascal. And option number B, Joule. Option number C, Newton. And option number D, Watt. Option mari pire. So and here ako na kang sige question sidi adom hanjin class 9 10 adom yaw la abani na. So dan hang gani that is Newton is the correct option. SI unit of force se kaino Newton ne. Next time we will what is the main component of biogas? Biogas ki main component se kari no na hangi ko. Ma'am sigi question se jo akoi SSC ki GD 2023 kai da hangrabu question amna exact date to da hapam dre ko. Ado sigi da mata karamba kenu da hangram da hapam dre. The yengminnarasi option the option number A, carbon dioxide. Option number B, methane. And option number C, hydrogen. And option number D, oxygen. Biogas ki main component se kai no primarily composed of that is methane. Methane primary component that is chemical formula na CS4. Kangin ba mathau tai ko methane ki chemical formula kari no na ko hangi ko. Atopa gases me am carbon dioxide, hydrogen, the hydrogen sulfide na atopa compounds in yaw ado main components se kari ne ba methane ne ba. So option number B is the correct option here. ko. And with this ma'am ngasigi akhoi science ki oiba haitare previous year questions nainabagi class ase matang sida losinjare aduga ma'amna pdf pambiba aduga important updates quizzes singi damakta sigi gkgs manipur gi channel sida ma'amna join tawsin biro aduga mayamna aigi lecture sidagi khajitang oisu kanaba fangne haina khanbiba taragadi like share amsu subscribe tobo kaubigano haina ningsingjari masi haya kana mayamba amu hana thagatchari. Thank you ma'am.